Mira is weaving friendship bracelets for a children's hospital. Small bracelets use 2 beads. Large bracelets use 7 beads. There are 6 more large bracelets than small. Counting all the beads, there are 78. How many small bracelets did Mira weave? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. We do not know the total number of bracelets this time, but we do know one type has 6 more than the other. Use that difference first. Let us line them up. Small bracelets on top, large bracelets on the bottom. We have 4 small and 10 large drawn here, but pretend you do not know those counts yet. What we do see is that the large row is longer. The 6 extras on the right have no small partner. That is the difference clue showing itself. Here is the new trick, the trim trick. Set aside the 6 extra large bracelets first. Their beads still count toward the total. 6 large bracelets with 7 beads each is 42 beads. We will remove those 42 beads from the total. The 6 extras are now out of the way. What is left is the OLD problem we already know. 78 beads minus 42 is 36 beads left. And those 36 beads belong to equal numbers of small and large bracelets. Each matched pair uses 2 plus 7, that is 9 beads per pair. Now we finish. 36 beads divided by 9 beads per pair is 4 pairs. So Mira made 4 small bracelets, and 4 plus 6 more makes 10 large bracelets. Let us check. 4 small bracelets with 2 beads each is 8 beads. 10 large bracelets with 7 beads each is 70 beads. 8 plus 70 is 78 beads. The numbers match. 2 tricks now live in your toolbox. The trim trick handles the difference clue. Set the extras aside, count their cost, subtract from the total. Then the pretend trick finishes the rest. With chickens and rabbits, we pretended. With wheels, we pretended again. With sticks, we pretended on bigger numbers. With bracelets, we trim first, then pretend. Hard clues become easy when the right tool is ready. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.